Good morning everyone and thank you for being here today. My name is Manoj Kumar Baniya. I am currently pursuing an MSc in Project Management at Ravensbourne University, London. Today I will be presenting my project, Sustainable Project Plan, Electric Cargo Bikes in Rural Kenya. By the end, I hope to demonstrate a well-structured project plan can turn a sustainable mobility concept into a viable and scalable model for rural areas. Thank you. Let's begin. In this project, I am introducing a sustainable transport plan using electric cargo bikes in rural Kenya. I choose this idea because many areas in Kenya faces problems like poor roads, high fuel costs, and slow delivery of goods and healthcare. These e-bikes are cheap, eco-friendly, and easy to use. They help farmers move products faster and also helps hospitals get supplies on time. These plans support the environment and also improves people's lives. I will explain how we will manage this project with strong governance, supply chains, and risk management, all focused on sustainability and local impact. Now I will talk about the needs in this project solves. In rural Kenya, many farmers loses crops after harvest due to delays in transport. Health center wait too long for medicines. Diesel vehicles are expensive and bad for the air, but e-cargo bikes can solve all this. They are cheaper to run, no pollution, and can handle tough roads. These bikes will help move goods faster and safer. This project is not just about transport, it's about supporting the farmers, saving healthcare time, and improving local life. It's a smart, green solution for many local people's problems in a simple way. Here I want to explain the people involved in this project. Farmers and traders will benefit by moving goods quickly. Healthcare centers will get faster deliveries. The government and NGOs can help by giving support and funding. Investors will like it because it has a strong environmental and social results. Also, we will train young people to ride and fix the bikes, which creates jobs. So many groups support this project for different reasons. It's not just for one group. It's helpful for the whole community. Everyone has a role to play and something to gain from this plan. For a project to work well, we need good management. So we will make an ESG steering committee to watch over the project. They will check reports every 3 months using GRI standards. This makes sure everything is clear and honest. Also, if someone has a complaint, they can report it easily. This makes the system fair. I believe if people trust the process, they will support the project more. Governance is not just about rules. It's about fairness, honesty, and makes sure everyone is heard and treated right throughout the project. This slide shows the full process of the project from planning to delivery. First we buy parts from approved suppliers. Then the bikes are assembled in local workshops. Next we train people to ride and fix the bikes. After that, deliveries are made to market or hospitals. Finally, we track the results and get feedback. This process helps us stay on track and find any problems early. By following this clear map, I can make sure everything runs smoothly and all parts of the project are connected and working together properly. Now let me explain supply chain. We will buy parts only from suppliers who follow environmental and social rules. Old batteries will not go to waste. They will be recycled. This helps the environment. Bikes will be built locally, which saves transports, costs and causes pollution. We will also use second-hand e-bikes, which supports the circular economy. Audits will check everything is being done the right way. I choose this plan to make sure the full supply chain is responsible from start to finish. It helps the planet and supports local people too. Here I talk about the risks and how we plan to solve them. First, battery waste is a big problem, so we will recycle them. Second, if bikes break, train technicians can fix them. Third, we will keep the prices fair using a cooperative model, so more people can afford the bikes. Fourth, to avoid supply delays, we will use more than one vendor. I believe it's smart to plan for risks early. The way we don't face big problems later. These steps will help us avoid trouble and keep the project running smoothly and safely. To measure our success, we will track some key points. We will check how many batteries we recycle. We will also measure how much faster healthcare items are delivered. The project will track CO2 emissions saved using digital tools. We also plan to create jobs and a keep a balance between man and woman. ESG audits will be done every quarter to make sure we are on the right path. I will use these numbers to show that the project really works. This helps keep the team motivated and also proves to others that we are making a difference. This slide explains how we look at the full life of the e-bike from making it to the time it's no longer used. We check how much energy it takes to make the bike, the pollution during use, and what happens to it after it's used. Recycling is a very important here. We also use the information to choose better parts. I believe looking at the full life of product helps us make better decisions. It's like thinking about the future before we start. That way our project stays green from beginning to end. To wrap up, I want to say this project is more than just electric bikes. It's about making life better in rural Kenya. It helps farmers, hospitals, the environment, and creates jobs. It follows ESG rules, so it's responsible and fair. Plus, it can grow into other places too. I believe this model is a strong, simple, and smart way to bring change. Thank you for listening, and I hope this project shows how we can solve big problems with small but smart ideas. Here are some of the references. Thank you.